How to read food nutrition labels. Have you ever scanned through the nutritional label on an item of food and been confused over what to look for? If so, this is the video for you. Before we begin, remember that you should always discuss recommended dietary amounts directly with your doctor. Okay, let's break it down. We'll start with the serving size at the top of the label. This will tell you what a single serving of the item is considered to be. The serving size and servings per container are important as they are directly related to the information we will share today.
As we move down the food label, the next items are calories and calories from fat. A calorie is simply a unit of energy. When we exercise, we burn off this energy, thus we say we are burning calories. Calories from fat are exactly that, calories that are from the fat in the food item. Excess fat can result in obesity, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and many other conditions. 1 gram of fat produces 9 calories.
Next, we see the total fat. Keep in mind this is the total fat per serving. Below that, saturated fat and trans fat are usually found. These fats are often described as the worst for health, so it is recommended that you consume no more than 20 grams of saturated fat and as little trans fat as possible per day.
Below the fat, we see cholesterol. Cholesterol is found in food items such as meats and dairy products. High levels of bad cholesterol can cause fatty buildup deposits in your blood vessels, which can lead to heart and brain problems. It is recommended the average person limit total cholesterol intake to less than 300 milligrams per day. We now move on to sodium levels. It is recommended that the average person eat no more than 2,400 milligrams of sodium daily. This can vary widely per person based on other present health issues.
Below sodium, we see carbohydrates. Carbs are found primarily in starchy foods such as bread, pasta, rice, and some sugary beverages. Carbs are considered one of the 3 macronutrients. In other words, a substance that is required in relatively large amounts by humans. While carbs are necessary, they also need to be eaten in moderation, particularly if you are diabetic. The recommended total carbohydrate intake per day is 300 grams.
After carbs, we have dietary fiber and sugars. These are listed in a lighter font and below carbohydrates because they are a subcategory of carbohydrates. 25 to 30 grams of fiber and 25 grams or less of sugar are recommended daily. Protein is also considered a macronutrient. The recommended average amount is around 56 grams.
The last items on the nutritional label are calcium, iron, and vitamins. The percentage to the right of all these mentioned items are your guide to daily recommended amounts. This is based on a 2,000 calorie diet and may be higher or lower depending on your individual calorie needs.
For more instructional information or to learn more about personal emergency buttons, please visit our website at www.firstlinesolution.com.